Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we're eating steers and we're eating KFC, my favorite. I have to eat wings, yeah. So I got king steer burger. Yeah, it's a king steer burger. I bought like 3, but I don't know if I'll finish all of them as in now, but I'll see. Here's the other 2. Oh my god, so much food. 2. But I just bought burgers. I didn't want to buy chips. Okay, in fact, I ate the chips there because chips from Steers are the best, especially when they served hot. So I had to finish that there. But I'm super hungry. Let me just eat 1 for now and then I'll see if I can finish and not waste. And not waste food. So I'll just put this to aside. That's it. And then with at KFC I did buy okay. At Steers I did want to try their bucket. Their boss bucket. Is it called bucket for one? I think it's called bucket for one. And it's my first time having it. So I'll see how that goes as well. Because it has like 2 wings, 2 zinger wings, and then it has a piece of chicken plus chips. Yeah, what's a meal without chips? You need fries and ketchup. Yeah, I'll put this to aside as well so that I can see if I can finish that later, because and I'm about to study, and when I study I always get hungry, so I don't know if I'll need to eat later or not, but I'm super hungry, so I hope I do eat again or not. Should I say not? I don't know. But they a little bit cold because it's drama, guys. My life is always full of drama, but I'll tell you as we go. Let me just start with my burger because, girl, you're hungry. Onions. Bad manners. I'm so hungry. So now I just want to put my ketchup and my spices, my chili salt. So now I just have some more fries, but they from KFC is, I don't know how KFC fries taste like. My baby, I've got like double cheese and double patties, beef patties. So hungry. It's so delicious, you guys. Like the good old times, Steers has so much memories for me. It's like the more I eat, the more hungry I become. But hey, food makes me happy, you guys. And school will teach you that, like, whereas life, it's boring, it's so annoying because you become so hungry at times, like you starve, you do starve, and then a miracle happens, and then you end up eating and doing a mukbang in front of a camera. Mm. Mm. There's the reason why I don't like what you call this, beggars from places like McDonald's and stuff. Not that I don't like them, but I feel like I'm tasting real meat here. It's not like, I don't know. Both Burger King and McDonald's, they always taste like it's like you're eating vegetarian food in as much as it's like real meat, but it's like vegetarian food. I don't know what's the difference, but this one tastes so really good. Huh? And I'm about to sleep though, that's why I'm in my pajamas. I'm sorry if you do mind, but Cape Town today was raining cats and dogs. I don't know. In fact, everyone was in Cape Town really saw that, and it was so annoying. And it did say 100%, and it did keep its promises. Honestly, it rained all through the day, and I got wet twice one day. Oh my god, I'll show you a picture. You can go to my Instagram, you'll find a picture. That's how wet I was. And I just enjoyed it. I'll leave the link down below. I don't know where the link is. Okay, down below, I think so. In the description box. It's very nice, but it's a little bit cold because the drama that happened. You don't want to know. We couldn't like request an Uber. Yeah, and we ended up. It's a long story. Let me just not let me just not even talk about it because I'm so ashamed. But it's fine. We're here. We're home safe and. Excuse me. Let me just eat this quickly and get over and done with. And then now back to my burger. I'm trying to cut the video because I eat so slow. In as much as I eat a lot, but I eat very slow. Mm. It's like going down. Let me just summarize this one and just quickly finish it now. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing that I'm not getting fat or anything. I don't know. But all I know is that I just love myself. Just the way I am. And I'm not afraid of the fact that I eat a lot. Like, I just eat. I think it has everything to do with my metabolism system. I don't know, metabolism, whatever it is. Now I'll be eating my wings. Let me just take them out. But this box, I think it's a very cool thingy that they introduced. Because it's so portable. Like, I can see myself when I'm hungry, and I'm busy with running some errands. I think I would, okay, I know it's a bad manner thingy, but I'd eat like anywhere while I'm waiting, like wherever, and still keep it cool because it just has this lid. Like, it's one of those things as Pomane, like in McFlurries and stuff and crushers. Oh, you just eat your things. I think it's nice and portable. Unlike the boxes that they normally have, like most people to imagine eating and having to cover that while you're doing something else. I think this one is cool. No wonder they even named it after like like a boss box no? I don't know. And it's relatively cheap because it's 30 rand, 29 something. Okay, what I was planning to do with my channel, actually, why I even started my channel, is that I'd love to travel for food. Like, I want to know what other people eat, you guys. I don't just believe that food is only what I eat or what I'm exposed to. I want to know what other people eat, and I want to taste it. What if I haven't tasted my favorite yet? And, because we've been eating the same thing. Wing or the chicken, I don't know, chicken wing. Zinga. They're so crunchy and they taste like Zinga wings. Like, they're good. And likely not that hot because, wow, hot things. I don't know. I eat my piece of chicken, my number one. they like put a bigger piece, you know, which is awesome because imagine me having a wing on top of two zinger wings. That wouldn't be a meal. I understand it's a meal for one, but they must put a bigger piece like this one. So juicy. I always enjoy KFC chicken. Like it's one of those tradition. Like it has become a tradition to us. You know, KFC. You know, it doesn't matter how far you want to run away from it, but you'll always end up at KFC. You can eat all your fancy things, and you know, but KFC is that. Come home, sweetheart. It feels like home. It tastes like home. Even if I can go like anywhere in the world, I know I can find like a KFC. You know, that's one language that we all speak besides English, because some of us don't. I don't know English, by the way, so don't worry. But I know chicken. You know, KFC chicken. I know it. That one is dating. It's so juicy and not too much oily as I was expecting it to be, which is good. Sometimes I become so tempted to like grind the bones, but I'm so shy in front of the camera. Like, I'll grind them later. Yeah, I just bit off that soft part that stays underneath the cartilage. That was nice. Like, oh, not dry. Just how a thigh should taste, you know. I always trust my hands more than this because I don't know what I'm feeling when I'm touching with with the tissue. So I have to like make sure with my own hands. But it's my face and I love it. My food is almost over because I don't want to stuff myself with all of the other food because I'm about to study, and if I become too full, then I won't be able to study. I have an exam that's coming, so now I'll just sleep instead of studying. So I'd rather be minimal for whatever the English word is, but kufanele ngihluthe kancinci ngahluthi kakhulu. And I think I'll edit this video. I'll edit it tomorrow. I'm not sure. Well, right now I have to like prepare for studying. Mm. 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 That one is hot. That's. Let's end my video here. But you should try eating both. No one said you must be loyal to like one food place. If you feel like you need to eat pizza and some chicken, do it. Or pizza and mango, you should do it. Whatever you want to do, it's your stomach. Like I ate steers and KFC, and I'm just a happy chappy. Oh, yeah, baba. Just down it. Ooh. From now on, I think I'll be uploading weekly. I want to maintain that at least once a week. I don't want to say every Friday or Thursday, but I'll keep updating you every week just to see when is the right time, because editing also is it's a handful. At least if I know I'm done with my exams, then anytime and every time, that's not a problem. I'll upload as much as I can. I'm planning to visit like new places that you've never eaten at, like the places that you see on Instagram and you're like, okay, cool, I want to eat there. But you also want to hear from someone that is their food really good as the way it looks like in that picture, or is it just their advertisement? I think they can show you a picture like with a burger like this, and then it becomes like, okay, like this, but you can never see like the taste. We always see the beautiful picture and it looks delicious, but we never know how it really tastes. And from my side, I know I am not what do you call this word? I'm not allergic to anything, you guys. I'm not allergic to anything. Nothing. Zilch. I think I'm only allergic to what? To poison. Yeah, I know. I'm allergic to poison, of course. But then, like, I can eat anything and everything and still be okay, And I think I can and I love food. Like, I love food that tastes good. In as much as I cannot I cannot cook it myself, but I'm talented in a way that I love food and I've got an eye for it. Like, I'm a lady eater. Does that sound right? No, it doesn't sound right. I'm a eater. Whatever it is, it's a bye from me. Thank you for watching and tuning into my channel. I'll see you next week. Oh, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and like and comment, please. I need to hear from you guys. What do you think? Like, how do you feel when you're watching my videos? Because I know it's a new style kind of here in South Africa. You're not really used to it. People just watching people eating, which is very good at sometimes. But please do subscribe and support and support and support and support. From me, Pieces Empire, it's a bye. Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. Bye, 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 bye.